In this problem, we are asked to create a frequency polygon, and this is how you would do that using the Connect software. So the first thing you're going to do is select the first line segment. So you check the box there. I'm not actually in Connect right now. This is just a picture, so it's not going to look exactly the same. But you select that, and we are going from 0.19 to 0.21. So I look at the first frequency, which is 1. So that's for the 0.19. And then we're going to go to 9 at 0.21. So I'm going to zoom in a little here. Now, here we have 0.19 on the horizontal axis, and I need to just go up 1, and you can see that on the vertical axis this ranges from 0 to 10. So I'm just going to go a little bit above the 0. As long as you're within the range from 0 to 10, it's not going to ask you to be more precise than that. So I've got my point here, and then we want to go up to 9 at 0.21, and so that's going to be a little bit less than 10. And when you click the second point, the software will run a line segment for you. So we've entered the first line segment, and we've entered 2 points there. Next we go, let's see, we're going to select the next pair of points, the next line segment, and that's going from, oops, oh, hold on a second. Oh, they go across. Okay. All right, so we're going to select the next line segment here, and that's 0.21 to 0.23. So we already have the point for 0.21, so you would click again in that spot, and then I need to know the frequency for 0.23. So let me find that, and that's going to be 25. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do this in a different color, just so you can see what I'm doing exactly. So we're clicking here, and then we are going up to 25 on 0.23. So you try to get fairly accurate, but as long as you're close, it will count it. And then it will run a line segment. It's not supposed to bend like that. Now for the next one, we have 0.23 to 0.25. So again, 0.23 is here. And then 0.25, the frequency for that is 74. So I'll scroll down a little bit here. And we want to go up to 74, which is roughly here. And line segment. Now let's see. Okay, so we got that 74. Now the next one is going to 76. So we start at 74 and we go to 76, and here's my line segment. And the next one is going to 47. So we start at 76 and we go to 47. And all the time you need to be changing what's selected down here, so I haven't been keeping up with that. So right here, before you actually make the line segment, make sure that you have selected the proper line segment there before you actually draw it. So now we'll go to the next one, and that's 0.29 to 0.31. And let's see, the frequency is 30 for that. So 47 to 30. And the line segment will come in there. And then, where are we? 0.31 to 0.33. So I'm sure you get the idea at this point. And we're going to 5. That should be halfway in between. And then finally 0.33 to 0.35, and we're going from 5 to 2. So just do your best to get close. As long as you fall within the proper grid lines, then you should be okay. So you just want to be as close as you can, but it's not going to be possible to be absolutely perfect with that. And just one other thing, a frequency polygon, you're actually supposed to have the line come down to the axis on the ends. So, and then you just go one step further in each direction. So in the software, they don't have you do that, but in real life, a frequency polygon is supposed to tie down to the axis because that's how you get a polygon shape. So it has to be closed. Okay, so don't worry about it for the software. And it's not something that's going to come up on a test, but just for your general information. So that's what you do.